Today we are at Bani Motor Melaka at this Exhibition R event. More than 120 Type Rs here being displayed, and we also have some JDM and a concept car inside. So want to see what is inside? Come, let's join us. Exhibition R ni banyak peserta-peserta yang bawa Type R mereka. So ada banyak jenis Type R di sini. So kita ada jenis yang Mugen pun ada, FK2, FD2R pun ada, FN2 dengan EK9 kan. So banyak lagi dipamerkan kat dalam. Okey, jom.
Dengan ini, saya merasmikan event hari ini, Exhibition R, Meet and Greet the R Family.
Sekian, terima kasih. With me here is the marketing director of Bali Motor, Mr. Jeremy Wong. Okay, so today I'm going to ask him a few questions. Alright, Jeremy, how do you get this idea of doing this exhibition event?
Following the hype from the Type R Museum that we set up in Honda Bali Heng Seremban this January, we got to know that actually the Malaysia market has got a very big passion for Type R and JDM. So that gave me an inspiration or an idea to organize another bigger one to cater all the fans here.
Okay, will there be any such event in the future?
Definitely yes. Let's say if we have the opportunity to have another bigger one, because today due to the rainy weather, most of our fans couldn't turn up lah. So definitely there will be another round to cater for all these fans who couldn't attend the exhibition today. And hopefully by that time we have got more Type Rs to display.
Okay, how do we follow you online?
You can follow our Facebook page, Honda Bani Heng Seremban and Honda Bani Heng Melaka, and also our TikTok and Instagram. Just search Alliance Honda Bani Heng.
Okay, cool.
Siapa nama?
Nama saya Paul.
Daripada mana, Pak? Awak daripada mana, Pak?
Saya daripada JD.
Dari JD.
Ya.
Nak tanya sikit. Apa modification yang dibuat pada kereta awak ni?
Okey, yang dalam enjin ni saya sudah buat intake, inventory, lepas tu intercooler, PIL, downpipe, scan tu. Yang dalamnya seat Mugen. Dia nak Mugen, disc 6 port Elcon, carbon 16, lagi race punya spoiler, yang luar carbon lah, yang spoiler, depan spoiler, lagi racing track.
Quite a bit of mods banyak mods
Lagi Torment exhaust daripada Denim.
I see. Okay. Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Okay, today here at the exhibition R, there are 100 over Type R's, and there is a lot of rare models like the FN2 and SK2 as well, because these models are not being sold here in Malaysia. As you can see, it's almost full, lots of cars. Ben daripada mana, Ben?
Tali Seremban lah.
Oh, dari Seremban. Okey, Ben. Nak tanya sikit, kereta you ni dah berapa lama dah you miliki kereta ni?
Saya sudah pakai 3 tahun lah.
3 tahun. Apa modification yang you dah buat?
Modification intake lah.
Oh, intake.
Yang jadi ni kita nama inventory lah.
Inventory,
Inventory
okey.
intake, lepas tu thrust oil cooler.
Okey.
Lepas tu Scorpion tailpipe. Ada Honda, ada tachometer.
Okey.
Lepas tu Wagner intercooler. Itu gua pakai Wagner. Lepas tu sporting race lah. Happy Racing 6 Sport.
I see.
Happy Racing 6 Sport. Lepas tu ni carbon hook lah.
Carbon hook.
Ini TCR punya lah.
I see.
TCR punya
carbon hook.
lah, macam tu lah. Itu
I see.
sajalah, itu lagi cheating JS lah.
Tu.
Tu.
Banyak sangat mod sampai
Lagi
lalu tu.
Mugen full pakai set lah. SZ
Mugen. Okey.
MSR ni.
NSR. Okey. You estimate berapa you belanja mod ni?
Ini sudah sampai 100k.
More than 100k ya. Walau. Okay, thanks. Thank you very much.